Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is the primary purpose of glycolysis is to A. Generate ADP, B. Convert glucose to pyruvate, C. Produce NADH, and D. Synthesize FADH2. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which enzyme is responsible for converting pyruvate into lactate during fermentation? A. Lactate dehydrogenase, B. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, C. Alcohol dehydrogenase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which process results in the formation of ATP through substrate level phosphorylation? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Electron transport chain, and D. Photosynthesis. So the correct option is A. The conversion of succinate to fumarate in the Krebs cycle involves the reduction of A. NADH plus B. FADH, C. ATP, D. Coenzyme A. So the correct option is B. Which of the following occurs during the transition phase between glycolysis and the Krebs cycle? A. Pyruvate is converted into acetyl coenzyme. B. ATP is generated from ADP and PI. C. Glucose is split into two molecules of pyruvate. D. Oxygen is used as final electron exchange. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is not a stage of cellular respiration? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Electron transport chain, D. Light dependent reaction. So the correct option is light dependent reaction. The next MCQ is how many molecules of CO2 are released per molecule of glucose during the Krebs cycle? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, and D. 4. So the correct option is 4. Which enzyme is responsible for the phosphorylation of ATP to ATP in the electron transport chain? A. ATP synthase, B. ATPase, C. Cyclic AMP phosphodiesterase, and D. Adenylate cyclase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is in which part of the cell does glycolysis occur? A. Mitochondrial matrix, B. Cytoplasm, C. Mitochondrial membrane, D. Outer mitochondrial membrane. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is in the Krebs cycle, which enzyme converts citrate to isocitrate? A. Equinase, B. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, C. Citrate dehydrogenase, and D. Citrate synthase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which process involves the transfer of high energy electron from NADH and FADH to the electron transport chain? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Oxidative phosphorylation. The correct option is C. The next MCQ is which molecule is generated as a byproduct during the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme? A. ATP, B. CO2, C. NADH, and D. FADH. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following best describe the role of the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase? A. Converts pyruvate into lactate. C. B. Converts pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme. C. Converts acetyl coenzyme into citrate. D. Converts isocitrate into alpha ketoglutarate. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the primary function of the Krebs cycle is to A. Generate ATP from glucose, B. Oxidize acetyl coenzyme to produce NADH and FADH2, C. Convert The next MCQ is which process occurs in the intermembrane space of the mitochondria? A. Krebs cycle. B. Electron transport. C. ATP synthesis and D. Glycolysis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is and glycolysis, the enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6 biphosphate is A. Phosphofructokinase, B. Hexokinase, C. Adulose, and D. Enolose. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following molecule directly donates electron to the electron transport chain? A. FADH2, B. NADH, C. Acetyl coenzyme, and D. Pyruvate. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is how many molecules of ATP are produced by accidental phosphorylation from one molecule to from one molecule of NADH. So A, 1B, 2, C3, and D4. So the correct option is B. C. The next MCQ is which enzyme in the Krebs cycle is responsible for converting alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl coenzyme? A. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, B. Succinyl coenzyme synthase, and D. Isosucrose dehydrogenase, and D. Succinate dehydrogenase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is in the electron transport chain, what is the final electron acceptor? A. Water, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Energy plus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following process occurs in the mitochondrial matrix? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Electron transport chain. So the correct option is B. The conversion of 0.3 phosphoglycerate to 3 phosphoglycerate and glycolysis generates as A. NADH, B. ATP, C. FADH2, and D. CO2. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is a direct result of the chemi-osmotic gradient created by the electron transport chain. A. Synthesis of NADH, B. Production of ATP, C. Conversion of pyruvate to lactate, and D. Formation of ATP. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which metabolic pathway produces ethanol and CO2 from glucose? A. Alcoholic fermentation, B. Lactic acid fermentation, C. Krebs cycle, D. Glycolysis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which process generates the majority of NADH during cellular respiration? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Electron transport chain, and D. Fermentation. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the enzyme decatalysis the conversion of phosphopenopyruvate to pyruvate in glycolysis is A. Pyruvate, B. Phosphofructokinase, C. Hexokinase, and D. Aldolase. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is during the process of oxidative phosphorylation, the enzyme is directly synthesized ATPA, ATP synthase, B cyclic AMP, phosphodiesterase, and D phosphofructokinase, and D lactate dehydrogenase. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDAct help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying as students for more pictures. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.